Hi guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we'll be working with a 3-point perspective question. By analyzing this question, we can very easily answer this question using 3-point perspective. Here I have taken Agra as a city. We are flying on the city of Agra. So I took Taj Mahal as a historical building. Okay, to draw the perspective, you need a focal line on the top of the paper. Decide the vanishing point. Third vanishing point at the most end of the bottom of the paper, I have decided. But somehow the lines are going beyond the vanishing point, third vanishing point. Okay, as usual, draw the cuboid or cube. It's a cubical building. So draw cube with 3-point perspective as a simple form. Then we can construct from cube. We can add details to the building. So that is how we have done here. Draw the building as much simple as possible, because now you had to just indicate the characteristics of the building. After completing a rough outline drawing, you could fare the drawing with dark outlines. Then, as usual, you can shade the picture. Now here I'm speed up the video because of the duration. Finally, I have added a window of the aeroplane. We are seeing the scene from inside the aeroplane. Here we have a completed picture. I hope we have answered above question. I think you like this video. Share, comment, subscribe to get more videos on art and NATA related tutorials. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.